Okay, we're walking
Bawal na magano yung truck.
because the bridge is broken. Now we have to walk from here. Then the bus will cross the bridge without passenger.
Bawal ang truck.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. They're all stranded because the bridge broken.
Bakit bumigay?
Okay.
Lambot ng galing.
Samantalang hindi naman naulan.
Yeah. Yan, boss. Yan.
Yun na yung sinakyan natin, 1193.
1193.
Oh, yan.
Okay, ako muna. Oh, mga walk. Baka mind up na maglakaw kita.
Hindi ah. Antayin naman tayo noon.
Are you sure? Oh, sipo. Okay.
Pinababa kami. Pinababa.
Oh my God, we have to walk that far? That's crazy. I can't believe it.
Konting kapit lang. Makapit na lang tayo.
Oh my God, no, 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 I don't want that.
Mamaya tulang satakyan.
Oh my God, this is it's scary. This bridge is broken.
Kanina lang po itong maga.
Oh my God, this. Oh my God. Oh yeah, see that one there. See right there. See in here. Come on, you.
Ay, ano po yun para ma-aning kasalubong?
Lipas kami. Ha? Malayo naman ang palayo.
My goodness, that bus is too far. We have to walk that far. This is my adventure here in the Philippines. This is really an adventure. Imagine that I have to walk from that to here.
Hi, si Papa. Hi, si Papa.
Papa.
pwede na nakita ito yung pinaka.
Yeah. Papa.
Ayun o.
Wala ko nang ilan.
Wow. It was really adventure. That's for sure. Wow.